desktop and your spine is not supporting you. So let's go and do some stretches on the chair only. You will not need any yoga mat, just you and your chair. We'll come little forward, flat foot, will come down, again up, down, up, down. Feel the stretch on your spine and your back region and relax. Hands on the back, feel the stretch. Now we'll move backwards. Back and relax. Back and relax. Back we'll do for a few times. Now we'll do side stretches. Don't push yourself so much. Just give a gentle and gentle stretch to make you feel relaxed. Yes, now we will come up. We'll take a chair like this. We'll put our hand like this. 2-3 steps back. Stretch forward and back. Stretch forward and back. Don't give too much stretch on yourself. Just gentle stretch and you will be done. These are simple stretches, simple movements you can do and ease your back, your spine region in few minutes. Thank you. आप चाहते हैं कि मैं ऐसी वीडियोस और बनाऊं तो प्लीज़ लाइक, कमेंट एंड शेयर एंड प्लीज़ मुझे कमेंट में बताइए और क्या टॉपिक्स पे आप मुझे वीडियो बनाना देखना चाहते हैं.